First of all, oxidation and reduction, they have multiple definition. They have multiple definition. They have multiple definition. Now, why they have multiple definition? Because oxidation and reduction can be understood from multiple point of view. I can see a same reaction from different perspective. That's why they have multiple definition. For example, let us take an example of carbon reacting with water. So this will give us carbon monoxide and H2. This is a chemical reaction. Now, I can say in this reaction, carbon is gaining oxygen. Carbon is gaining oxygen. Carbon gains an oxygen. Or I can say hydrogen is losing oxygen. I can say hydrogen is losing oxygen. So whenever someone gains an oxygen, that will be known as oxidation. Whenever something gains oxygen, that will be known as oxidation. That will be known as oxidation. So one of the definition of oxidation is gain of oxygen. One of the definition of oxidation is gain of oxygen. Whenever a substance gain an oxygen, that will be known as oxidation. So in this reaction, carbon is gaining oxygen. So we will say carbon is getting oxidized. So we will say carbon is getting oxidized. What is oxidation? Gain of oxygen. In this reaction, which atom is gaining oxygen? Carbon is gaining oxygen. So this will be oxidation of carbon. Next, if we take a look at water. Now water is losing oxygen and getting converted to hydrogen. Water is losing oxygen and getting converted to hydrogen. So I will say water is getting reduced to hydrogen. So I will say water is getting reduced to hydrogen. So what is reduction? Reduction is loss of oxygen. So our oxidation was gain of oxygen. Gain of oxygen. What is reduction? Reduction is loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. So in this we will say water is reduced to hydrogen. Next, one more example. Not this. Simple example. What could be an easier example of oxidation? Now, let us take this example. In this, we see Fe2O3. In this, we see Fe2O3 is reacting to produce only iron, and oxygen is lost by iron. Oxygen is lost by iron. So in this reaction, iron is losing oxygen or Fe2O3 is losing oxygen. And which one is gaining oxygen? Carbon is gaining oxygen. So in this reaction, Fe2O3 is getting reduced. This is losing oxygen. And this is gaining oxygen. So carbon is getting oxidized and iron oxide is getting reduced. Iron oxide is getting reduced. So we are deciding the oxidation and reduction on the basis of hydrogen and oxygen, on the basis of oxygen gained or lost. We are deciding substance is oxidized or reduced on the basis whether that substance is gaining oxygen or losing oxygen. This is one way of deciding oxidation and reduction. This is one way of deciding oxidation and reduction. Gain of oxygen, oxidation. Loss of oxygen, reduction. Simple. Next.
सर आहान नहीं आएगा सर.
अब आ रही है बेटा?
सर आहान नहीं आएगा. आहान चैटर्जी से.
क्या नहीं आ रहा है?
सर आहान भट्टाचार्य नहीं आएगा सर.
अच्छा, वो नहीं आएगा, ठीक है. नहीं तो समझ गया बेटा, आपने वो बोला रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह करना है ना.
हाँ सर वही सर.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. चलिए नेक्स्ट. यहां तक समझ में आया बेटा? किसी को डाउट?
नहीं सर.
चलिए नेक्स्ट. तो वी आर डिसाइडिंग ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. Now we can also define oxidation and reduction on the basis of hydrogen. So far we have said oxygen gain is oxidation, oxygen loss is reduction. This is one way. Next is hydrogen. Hydrogen gain will be defined as reduction and hydrogen loss will be defined as oxidation. This is how we can define oxidation and reduction on the basis of hydrogen. On the basis of hydrogen. Next, एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. जस्ट मैं बेटा एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल ढूंढता हूँ, इजियर वन. सिंपल वन. ठीक है. Next. Now, in this reaction, नाइट्रोजन इज गेनिंग हाइड्रोजन. वेरी सिंपल रिएक्शन है, ठीक है. इससे आगे आके और डिफिकल्ट करेंगे, पहले सिंपल थे. नाइट्रोजन इज सिंपली गेनिंग हाइड्रोजन. सो नाइट्रोजन वी विल से नाइट्रोजन इज गेनिंग हाइड्रोजन एंड फॉर्मिंग अमोनिया. दैट मीन्स ammonia is, sorry, nitrogen is reduced. Gain of hydrogen. So ammonia is, sorry, nitrogen is reduced to ammonia. Nitrogen is reduced to ammonia. Next. Now this is another reaction of where hydrogen is reacting with ethene. This is known as ethene, and hydrogen is added. So we will say gain of hydrogen. Gain of hydrogen. So this ethene is reduced because it is gaining hydrogen. Because it is gaining hydrogen. Next. बेटा इसमें बताएंगे कौन ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ है, कौन रिड्यूस हुआ है. कॉपर ऑक्साइड में बताएंगे बेटा. Which is oxidized and which is reduced? बोलिए. आवाज आ रही है बेटा?
सर प्लीज सर एक बार को रिपीट कर दीजिए सर, नहीं सुनाई दे रहा था सच्ची सच्ची.
आवाज आ रही है? ऑडिबल?
हेलो
हेलो.
सर क्या बोल रहे हैं सर?
ऑडिबल है बेटा?
सर
आवाज
क्या?
आ रही है?
हाँ सर आवाज तो आ रहा है सर, क्या क्या बोल रहे थे सर?
Question is,
यस सर.
in this reaction which is oxidized and which is reduced?